Today, we'll explore the shift towards flexible working arrangements and how it compares to traditional shift patterns. Traditional shift patterns involve fixed hours, often in 8-hour blocks, providing predictable schedules and clear expectations for employees. The pros of traditional shift patterns include predictability, simplified management, and easier compliance with regulations. However, they lack flexibility and can lead to employee burnout. Flexible shift patterns offer more dynamic scheduling, allowing employees to work different hours each week. This is common in sectors like retail and hospitality. Flexible working can increase sales and reduce costs by matching staff to demand. However, it requires more management time and sophisticated software to stay compliant. Hybrid solutions are emerging, combining fixed and flexible patterns. For example, new employees might have flexible contracts while existing staff remain on fixed shifts. Some companies use hybrid models where certain departments have flexible schedules or employees have a mix of fixed and flexible days. As businesses adapt to changing demands, hybrid working patterns are becoming more common. Implementing these changes often requires support and specialized software. If you want to find out more about the subject or want to talk to us about our technology, get in touch.